John baby. Hey, look at this note I got. I ordered this note sitting on your couch in Chicago. It's a 3 cent note issued in 1863, but it is so tiny. See, I don't know if you could get a sense of just how small this thing is, but it's really cool looking. Here's the back side. Isn't that neat? I like these, what they're called fractional currency notes, issued during the Civil War when people were hoarding uh, silver coins and the coins. So, in order to keep the commerce going, the government had to issue these uh, penny notes, 3 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents, and I've been collecting these, and they're not really cheap. Let's see if I could put something up here. Here's a pen. You can see this note is awfully small. Okay, John. See ya.